Good morning, Einsteins. How was your morning today? Oh, I'm so glad to hear that. And what did your family tell you before you came to school? What did your family tell you before you came to school? Yes, Desiree? Okay, did you hear that, class? Desiree said that her mother told her to study hard before going to school. Isn't that great? Okay, so who among you has been told the same? Raise your hands. Okay, very good. So many of you were told by your parents, many of you were told by your parents to study hard today. I hope that you will do that. Who else? Okay, Safi, I observed that you did not raise your hand. What did your family tell you before you came to school? Oh, that's great. Hear that, class? Safi said her father told her that she should enjoy the school today. Isn't that great? Yes. So who else has a sharing about what his or her family told her or him before he or she came to school? Yes, Alan. What did your grandmother tell you before you came to school? Yes, I agree to that too. So Alan said that his grandmother told him to be good in school. Isn't that good, class? Isn't that nice to hear? Okay, so what did you observe about those things that your parents told you before you came to school? Yes, Mir? Very good. Okay, so Mir said that he observed that those things that your parents usually tell you when you come to school or before you come to school is good things that you should do to be able to be successful in your studies. Do you agree with that, class? Do you agree with Mir? Yes, me too. I strongly agree with Mir. Okay, so let's clap for ourselves, class, for the very nice sharing for today. Okay, so I have here, class, prepared game. Do you like to play a game? Okay, very good. But before that, I would like you to form groups of 5. We are going to do the groupings by row. Group 1 will be the 2 rows here. Group 2, the 2 rows here. Group 3, the 2 rows here. Group 4, the 2 rows here. And group 5, the last 2 rows there. Our game is called Simon Says. Have you heard about that? Yes, I'm sure you heard about that. Let's just presume that we are in the Big Brother house. Do you like to live in the Big Brother house? Simon is your big brother. I'm going to say some instructions that came from Simon, and each of the members of the group shall follow it strictly. I will show the instruction on the screen as I read it aloud, and you do the instruction at my signal. And do not stop doing it until the next instruction is being said. If a member of your group will not be able to do the instruction correctly, then your group shall be evicted. Is that fair? Yes. Okay, so are you ready? Very good. Now let's start. In the Big Brother house, are you ready? Okay, here it is. In the Big Brother house, Simon says, wave your right hand. You are so excited in doing it. I did not tell the signal yet. You should wait for my signal, right? Let's start. Simon says, raise your right hand. Go. All right. Very good. So all of you were able to do it. So nobody's evicted. Not a group is evicted at this point. Now let's proceed. Simon says, hold your hands together. Oh, you should not follow me. You should follow what Simon said. Okay, so I'm sorry, but group 2 is evicted. So there are only group 1, 3, 4, and 5 to complete. You should do great, guys. So if you see me doing something, you should not follow me. You should use your ears and your brain, because what you're going to follow is what Simon said. Okay, now let's proceed. Are you ready? Simon said, clap 3 times. Go! Very good. Okay, so you are all good. Now, next. Simon says, do the peace sign. Okay. Simon says, stand and go. All right. Simon says, sit. Go. Very good. Simon says, do not sit. Go. Oh, I'm sorry, group 4. You are wrong. You did not follow the instruction properly. It says, do not sit. So, what should you do? Yes, you should stand. Or you should at least move out of your seat. Now, there are only 3 contenders. The group 1, the group 3, and group 5. Who shall win? Let's see. So, be alert, everyone. Simon says, don't stand. Look up. Go. Okay, good. Next, look down. Now. Okay. And do not look up. Alright, so you are getting better. You are getting better. Now let's see. Don't show your mouth. Go. Oh, I'm sorry, group 5. If Simon said do not show your mouth, what should you do? Yes, you should have covered it. Okay. So, group 2, 4, and 5 are already evicted. Now, the 2 final groups, the group 1 and group 3. Let's see who shall win among the 2. Are you ready, group 1 and group 3? Simon says, never touch your mouth. Go. Okay. So, both groups are good. Let's see for the next instruction that Simon would say. Simon says, say we win now. Alright, so who shall win? Both are really good. Both groups are really good. Now let's see the next instruction. No talking now. Go! Let's clap for Group 1 and Group 3, class. Congratulations! You're really good in following instructions. What did you observe about the statements that were given by Simon? What can you say about those? What do they tell? Yes, Steve. Okay, so they are commands or instructions. And what shall be done upon them when they are being given? Yes, Mark? Okay, yes, very good. They should be followed correctly, just like what you did a while ago, right? Yes? Yes. Okay, but let's study further about those sentences. They are actually here. Class, you go over them. And I want you to study them first. You see it, guys? Good. Now, let's read, everybody. Read the first one. Okay, hold your hands together. Next. Very good. Clap 3 times. Next. Yes, do the peace sign. And stand, okay? Sit. Very good. Do not sit. Don't stand. Look up. Do not look up. Look down now. Don't show your mouth. Never touch your mouth. Say we win. Okay? And no talking now. Okay, very good, class. Now, what do you call those sentences? Instructions or commands? Okay, very good. Can you still remember your lessons in the elementary grades about the types of sentences according to function? Okay, very good, Safi. You have the declarative. Okay, what else? Exclamatory. What else? Interrogatives. What else? What do you call the sentence that tells or expresses a command or request? Very good, Safi. Will you repeat that, Carol? Yes. These are called imperatives. Okay, so let's study further about imperatives. There are actually 2 forms of imperatives, and you will find that out. Will you study again the sentences? If you are going to group the sentences, what 2 groups could you form? What 2 groups could you form? Yes, Nicole. Okay, do you agree with that, class? Yes. Nicole said the 2 groups that she could form are the imperatives that have the word not. Yes, Larissa? Will you give one? Okay. Do not sit. Annie, can you give one, my dear? Alright, very good. Don't stand. What else? Yes, Myla? Very good. Do not look up. Micah? Very good. Not talking now. There's one more that belongs to that group. What is it? Yes, Leanne. Correct, Leanne. Very good. Never touch your knife. What group are those imperatives? Anybody? Yes, John? Very good. They are called negative imperatives. Okay. How about the other group of imperatives? If one group is called negative, which consists of not or never, how about the other group? What should be the opposite, or what must be the opposite? Yes, Peter? Yes, of course, the positive. What are the positive imperatives here? Nina? Yes. How about Anna-Marie? Very good. Liani? Correct. I have here the labels, the two groups, the negative and the positive. I would like you to put them under each column. You put the correct imperatives under each column. Okay. Anybody, we can come to the board now to put those in their correct group. But do not rush, do not push each other. You just walk normally and give way for each other, give time for each other. Okay? And go now. Very good. Let's clap for them, class. Let's clap for yourselves. Very good. Okay, now I would like you to work by smaller group maybe. I want 3 members in one group. Okay, I would like those fast, or for those fast learners. You know yourselves. I know you know yourselves. I want you to accommodate those who need your help. Okay, thank you for cooperating. So, what you are going to do is come up with the sentence pattern. How are the sentences constructed? I would like you to write the sentence pattern of these imperatives, positive imperatives, and the negative imperatives. I want you to work by threes first. I give you 5 minutes to do that. Okay, so you can do it in 8 minutes. Is that okay with you? Alright, so you can do it in 8 minutes. Okay, you may start now. You write your outputs in a clean sheet of paper. 8 minutes done. Are you finished? Okay, very good. Now, I want you to combine with another group. So, there shall be 6 members in one group. You compare your outputs with the group you are with and come up with one output only. You write that output in a half manila paper. And then be ready to present afterwards. Did you understand? Very good. Okay, so start now. You may move to another group, or you may call the other group to come.